Imagine making $246,000 a minute. That's $14 million an hour and $355 million a day. Listen, I don't know if anybody personally could ever make that kind of money, but there's a hidden industry that is currently $129 billion a year, and Forbes just predicted it's going to $1 billion a day in the next 5 years. Hey, it's Dean Graziosi, and I'm doing a special webcast training with my dear friend Tony Robbins, and we're going to pull back the curtain on how both of us have made more money from this one thing, how we've made more impact from this one thing. And now, for the first time ever, we're going to show you the blueprint on how you could profit from a skill, a habit, a hobby, a passion, or an expertise you have, or profit from what someone else knows. Listen, there's a huge problem in America and the world today, and we're gonna unveil the blueprint to show you how you could solve that problem, how you could leave a massive impact and change people's lives while simultaneously tapping into a $355 million a day industry. We have never done anything like this before. Tony hasn't done a training like this in over 10 years. And if you know anything about Tony Robbins, you know he's all about delivering massive value, making a massive impact. And we've been obsessing on this for almost a year, and now it's here. You can click the link on this page right now and reserve your spot for this special webcast training before you miss out. This is going to be epic. And if you don't already know who I am, I'm Dean Graziosi. I'm a multiple New York Times best-selling author. I'm a serial entrepreneur. My brands and my companies have done hundreds of millions of dollars in sales. But guess what? This is the industry where most of my money was generated. And now it's your turn. Because of recent changes, this is available for everyone watching right now who wants to make more money, wants to take their significance, their growth, their impact to a whole nother level and tap into this incredibly lucrative business. We have the blueprint, but you got to do one thing. You got to click the link on this page right now and reserve your spot before it's too late. Hey, I can't wait to see you there. I can't wait to see you in the live chat. And I look forward to exposing you to the ability to take your life, your impact, and your income to the next level.